Hey Thomas, you want a belch, Sweeney Todd?
I didn't mean to say belch, Willie.
Who wants
Shut your pie hole.
Who wants the belch, Sweeney Todd?
I meant to say belt it out, and I said belch it out. Now he's going on and on and on, rambling. What kind of
rambling? You need to stop humping those trees.
I'm not humping any trees. You were the one that was out there fucking those trees.
They're just gosh darn so layered. They're so layered.
They're so old.
They were hardcore.
Don't do shrooms.
Little kid. She done did Country Farm Ranch. She done did Country Farm Ranch.
She made that country.
With the boobs down to her knees, people.
Where's their pinata, Rachel?
That they hit with a baseball bat.
So how's everybody doing out here in these United States of Alabama? We haven't seen you in a while. We thought we'd catch up, say hi.
Alabama is pimping it out there. Which is Alabama in the west side?
No, Alabama's in the south.
Oh. Of course it is. Yeah, of course it is. Yeah, west side Alabama.
West side of Alabama, you know? The western border of Alabama. Oh my god, you need to get your slang down.
How about you help me practice on that? No, we can just call up Nick.
Oh, we need to call Nick.
Yeah, we need to call.
Hi, Nick.
Yeah, we
love you, Nick.
He's our Black Latrell. Who can love him?
I love Nick.
Yeah.
Nick Rotzart.
Yeah.
Oops, I just said his name.
That wasn't supposed to be on YouTube, but I'm sure he wouldn't care.
No, he wouldn't care. He's the one we got the shrooms from.
Sorry, I had a spasm. You missed it.
Spasm. Willis gave me those spasms. I guess they're contagious. Oh my god, we're making ASMR for ourselves.